the science of the mind and trading. How do those commingle? How do those go hand in hand? Without the mind, without the psychology, without the discipline of the mind, you will not be a successful trader. If you're not disciplined in other avenues of your life, if you're not disciplined, whether that's going to the gym, whether eating right, whether it's following a structure, a plan that you gave yourself, if you're one of those people who say one thing and you don't follow up on your plan or you don't follow up on what you said, I would consider you not disciplined. And if you want to get into the trading world, it won't happen. It's not going to happen because those two worlds, the mind and trading, they coexist, they commingle. A lot of people think this is a skill which you can just acquire uh, without having to put in like any practice. They think it's an overnight thing. They think you can click a button and all right, there's your $5,000, $10,000, $100,000. In theory, in theory, all you have to do is click a button or two in order to actually endure the process of trading, in order to go through the process of trading, whether it's buying, selling. But the skill is something you, whether you've been trading or not, the skill is something that you've grown to acquire throughout your lifetime. And that's the skill of discipline. That's the skill of being able to just stick to a plan and follow it. It's really not much more than that. All right. You have to be able to do the things that you don't want to do, but you have to be able to do the things you need to do in order to A, cut your losses, B, take profit. You have to be able to do those things, right? If you can't do those things in real life, you're not going to make a single cent. You're not going to make a single dollar. Yes, you can get lucky once, twice, maybe three times, but that consistency aspect that comes along with trading, that comes along with the freedom that trading provides, that will not happen because you're not consistent in your routine inside and outside of the trading world. If you're not a consistent person, if you don't have a plan, you will not be successful. Like this morning, I ran. It's 6:41 in the morning. Woke up at 5 a.m. You think I want to run at 5 a.m. or you think I want to go to the gym that early? No, 9 times out of 10, I do not. But in my mind, I know what my goal is. My goal is to be a consistent trader. My goal is to be consistent throughout every aspect of my life. And that comes with being able to conquer your mind, being able to be one with the mind, and therefore you will be a consistent, profitable trader, and you'll just be a better person in life. Just follow the structure, follow the plan, regardless of how you're feeling, and the money, if that's what you're looking for, the money is a side effect, or the money is a byproduct of that discipline and the mind work, because this trading game is 90% mental, 10% actually knowing what you're doing, knowing what you're looking at on the charts. It doesn't take more than that. You don't need to be a finance bro. You just have to be able to conquer the mind and to do what you say. That's really it.